Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. 13 pens and 10 pencils cost rupees 98 and 4 pens and 5 pencils cost rupees 34. So we have to find the cost of 4 pens and 3 pencils. So first of all we'll assume that let the cost of one pen is X and the cost of one pencil is Y rupees. So according to question, what we can say is, it is given that 13 pens and 10 pencils cost 98. So cost of one pen is X, so cost of 13 pen will be 13X. Similarly, the cost of 10 pencil will be 10Y. So 13X plus 10Y is given as 98. Let this be first equation. Similarly, with the second condition we can write 4X plus 5Y is 34. So let this be second equation. Now what we'll do is we'll multiply equation 2 with a number 2, then what we'll get is 8x plus 10y equal to 68. Now let this be third equation. Now we can see that 10y is in first equation and 10y is also in third equation. So if we subtract this, we can get the whole equation in x and we can find the value of x. So what we'll do is subtracting 1 and 3, will get 13x minus 8x, that is equal to 98 minus 68. So 5x is 30 and x we have obtained 6. Now with the help of any equation, let's say we are using equation 2. So with the equation 2 we can say 5y is 34 minus 4x. From here, after substituting the value of x, we can obtain the value of y. So 5y is 10, hence y is 2. So we have obtained x as 6 and y as 2. Now what we have to find in the question is cost of 4 pens and 3 pencils. So similarly we'll use unitary method and we can find the cost of 4 pen as 4x and cost of 3 pencil as 3y. Now we'll just substitute the value of x and y to get the final answer. 24 plus 6 will give 30 and the unit is rupees. So 30 rupees is the answer, which is option D. So we can say that the answer is option D.